Damn it. So it's that time again. Sorry for the wobble. And we sort of wound up down here. You know, it was only supposed to be like 20% chance of precipitation. But I suppose with it being Springfield, you know. But nope, we straight up got rained on. We've got new gear. That's an old loose speed spool. And this is the Ugly Stick Light Pro. I've never used an Ugly Stick before, so we'll have to, yeah, never used an Ugly Stick before, so how that turns out, we'll have to wait and see. Alright. Nope. Whoops. Everyone always gets one. It happens. Down I'm gonna put it. I mean, we tried a couple different lures, didn't pick anything up here. We'll move on. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see them, but right there, you see that giant ass spider? I almost walked into that. I think I'm gonna get back on the trail, and we're gonna take the trail up to our spot. There's that, and then there's also another one literally right there on the tree. So we're gonna get on the trail, and we're just gonna take the trail back up, because that looks like a den of spiders, and den of spiders never works out well. Here we go. All right. So our feet soaked. We almost went face first into a nest of spiders. But now, ow, shit, thorns. Now we're finally right where we need to be. Spot number 1. Okay. First cast. All right. Nope. Oink. Oh, tap. I think something took a crack at it. All right, there we go. Point with my chest, tap. This is interesting because I can actually feel the blades spinning. Ah, balls. Balls, balls, balls. Okay. All right. There we go. Son of a bitch. Fucking tree limb. Damn it. Well, this spot's been blown up. Oh. There goes our spinnerbait. Fuck. So that's what I got, but it's pretty much the same color as everything else there. I've got an 1/8 ounce jig head, but the problem with that is the trailers I have are the same color as the water. So, and those jig heads get caught up on everything. I think, honestly, if I had to jump out of a plane with no parachute, I'd hold 2 of those in my hands, because I know that they'd catch something on the way down. But, you know, that's just kind of an excuse. We just have to... Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Oh, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? We literally got a hit on this. There might be another one. I should have set the hook on that. Okay. Okay. Like Springfield made a liar out of me. Looks like they're a little closer to bank, too. There we go. Oof. This might be the one, because I just seen a minnow hit the surface and we got a little bluegill swim jig. Yeah, they're hitting top. I've got a little chug bug. And if this will cast that like a country mile, should, in theory, have no problems getting my popper out. Currently 11:32. Yeah. Come on, you. Slide down. There it goes. Pull you nice and tight. Here we go. We're all tied up. You. Make a nice little B-roll. Oh, treble hooks catch everything. There we go. To tell you the truth, for fishing these lures, I'm actually really enjoying this. There we go, guys. There we go. First fish. First fish of the day. We're hooked up. And you're recording. Yes. Oh, oh, oh shit. Come to Papa. On the top water. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh shit, it's a toad. Oh shit, oh shit. Come on, come on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, come on. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Oh, I'm shaking. Look at you. On top water. Oh my God, and we recorded it. We got it all. Look at that. Oh. Oh. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right, and off it goes. Let's go. Oh my God. Guys. That, who knows, we might pick up another fish. Hello. I'm good with what I got. I would not say no to another fish. There we go. That ought to get us. Oh! There we are. There we are. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Did you see that? Hit the water in the jump. On the crank, babe. On the crank, baby. On the crank. How about that, guys? How about that? Come here, buddy. Come here. Get this treble hook out of you. There it is, guys. There it is. Second fish of the day, and we've got it on a crankbait. Alright, here you go, buddy. Get out of here. Whew. Moment to hit the water, too. Yeah. We've already pulled something out on it, so that part's good. There we go. There we go. Now we're up and running. God, I can feel the vibrations in my rod. That was a hit. Oh, damn. How about that? 2 fish on a crankbait. How about that, guys? Whew. All right, come here, you. Come here. It's a good day's fishing. That is a bluegill. Like, here, let me put that down so I can show you that. How about that, guys? Oh, all right. Hang on. Ooh, there you go, buddy. Really liking fishing with a bait caster. Really liking it. Sad. A fair share of fish on it. Hook up. There we go. 4 fish. Ugh. 4 fish. That's a bass too. Damn. Damn, damn. All right. All right, come here. Look at those colors, guys. Look at that. Whew. How about that, guys? How about that? All right, guys. So, what a day. What a day. We caught 4. We lost 1. And the weather turned around, didn't it? Started off rainy and mucky, kind of miserable, truth be told. We didn't think we were going to catch what we did. But we didn't do too bad. I mean, 4 lose 1 ain't bad. Most tournaments only let you have 5. So, more importantly though, we caught fish in spots we've never caught fish before. I've been out here twice now. Well, technically I've been out here 3 times. And 2 of those times we've never caught anything out of those spots. And we did today. So, it looks like we're figuring it out. So if you guys watched the video, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate that. Leave a comment. You don't have to subscribe though, because we really don't have a channel to subscribe to. But, yeah, definitely gonna do this again. My thoughts on bass fishing and targeting bass specifically. Arm's getting tired. Honestly, I absolutely love it. Even the dinks have a hell of a lot of fight in them. And then we caught that one on the top water. God damn. Just popped right off and went whoosh. So I'm absolutely hooked. Absolutely hooked. I enjoy it. And it's also relatively cheap to do too. I mean, the gear is the most expensive part, but the lures and whatnot, that doesn't cost too much. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I enjoy it. I'm planning on keep on doing it. So let's go back this way. But yeah, guys, you know, thanks for watching. I'll probably do it like once a week, maybe. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much, and see ya.